Dear students, this class we have to explain solids, their defects. So generally, solids is not perfect in their structure. That means solids have some defects in their structures. So the defects in solids generally is classified as two types. First one is point defects. Second one is line defects. So if you take a solid as crystal, so the crystal point defects is classified as three types. First one is stoichiometric. Crystal point defects has three types. First one, stoichiometric defects. Second one is non-stoichiometric defects. Third one is impurity defects. This defect takes place due to impurity in solids. So generally, in ionic solids, two types of defects takes place. First one is Frenkel defect. Second one is Schottky defect. Let me explain one by one. So first one is, now we are explaining crystal defects. So first one is Frenkel defect. What is Frenkel defect? That means the defect where an atom or ion is displaced from normal site to interstitial site is known as Frenkel defect. What is Frenkel defect? The defect where an atom or ion is displaced from normal site to interstitial site, that is known as Frenkel defect. Next one. This defect is also known as dislocation point defect. It is also known as dislocation point defects. Generally, Frenkel defect takes place in ionic compounds in which large difference between ions. That means the Frenkel defect takes place in ionic compounds. Large difference, must be a large difference between cation and anion. For example, Frenkel defect exhibited by the silver halides. That is silver halides. That is a silver example: silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide, and ZnS, zinc sulfide. So Frenkel defect example. So the crystals which exhibits Frenkel defects: silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide. The three compounds are silver halides and zinc sulfide. Next to crystal defect is Schottky defect. Schottky defect. What is Schottky defect? The defect where an atom or ion is missing from normal site. NS means normal site to interstitial site. Interstitial site is known as Schottky defect. NS means normal site, IS means interstitial site. Generally, Schottky defect takes place in ionic compounds where the ions the size of ions almost equal. That means Schottky defect takes place in ionic compounds where the ions are almost equal. For example, ions we know that cation and anion. So in Frenkel defect takes place, the size of ion difference is large. So in Schottky defects, the size of ions is almost equal. Next, Schottky defect exhibited by some crystal solids. Example, sodium chloride and potassium chloride. Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, silver, bromide, etc. So Schottky effect examples: sodium chloride, potassium chloride. Frenkel defect example: silver chloride, silver bromide, or zinc sulfide. And Schottky defects example, another example, cesium chloride. Due to Schottky defects, a solid exhibits electrical neutrality. What is electrical neutrality means? When a crystal substance exhibits Schottky defect, it means an electrical neutrality. That means by equaling the missing cations is equal to missing anions. So for example, Frenkel defect structure is plus is cation, minus is anion. Schottky defect. Plus, minus. Here missing is atom or ion. Here dislocation of the cation.